In this video, you'll learn how to use a Framer template in just a few minutes, so you can launch a professional website faster than ever without starting from scratch. First, go to framer.com and sign into your account. Open the Framer template gallery directly from your dashboard, or visit the marketplace to browse hundreds of beautiful, ready-made designs for every type of project. Next, pick the template that matches your style or goal. You'll find options for portfolios, startups, agencies, landing pages, and more. Just click the one you like and hit Get Template to add it to your workspace. Now, open the template inside the Framer editor. Everything is fully customizable, so you can change text, images, colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand without touching a single line of code. After that, update the content to make it yours. Replace the placeholder text with your own copy, swap images with your brand visuals, and rearrange sections however you want using Framer's simple drag and drop tools. Once your template looks exactly the way you imagined, make it responsive for mobile and tablet using Framer's built-in breakpoints. Then hit Publish to take your website live with free hosting and SSL included. And that's it. You now know how to use a Framer template to launch a stunning website in record time.